Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at Hyatt Place in Krakow, or Krakow, Poland. Checking in the afternoon, can see the sunlight outside. Get a quick shot of the main room. We'll be back there. But first, the bathroom. See a light around the mirror. Walk-in shower with a glass door. Loud glass door. Lots of space in there. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash on the side. Toilet over here. Very small trash container on the side. See hooks on the wall, perhaps for coats, other items. A mirror upon walking in. The television in the center of the room. Coffee included. Looks to be a Nespresso type machine. See the pods on this side. Various tea and Kinga water. See the various amenities on this side. Closet area. View outside. See the sun and parking down below. So not much more except for some of the skyline and the parking. Next door, another hotel and the top of a building. I have the Hyatt Globalist status. They assured me I would get a complimentary gift in the room. See what looks to be a Polish wine, or maybe from France, Merlot from France, and a message: "Dear Justin, we are happy to welcome you at Hyatt Place, Krakow. On behalf of the entire hotel team, we would like to wish you a pleasant and comfortable stay at our hotel, as well as a great time in Krakow. Hyatt Place team." So the Merlot on the side, next to the chair, next to the bed. Telephone, writing pad with a Hyatt pen, and a bathrobe with slippers in the center. Coming back, you can see another view of the room. The desk, all the coffee, the two beds, the side chair, and the view. This is Hyatt Place in Krakow. Simple room, 5,000 points a night, not bad. Continuing to requalify for Hyatt Globalist status. Final view of the room. Looking forward to the stay and looking forward to exploring Krakow. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.